Hi friends, see Excel Guru, Rajinikanth. I think are you able to watch my screen, right? The screen, right? Okay. Are you able to watch my screen, right? Okay. Now here I will explain you. First of all, I will explain the query. Later I will explain. I will show you the solution. Okay. Actually, this query asked by one of our friend that here is the left side. You find these numbers, loan numbers. Okay. Left side you will find loan numbers. Cannot get over, guys. It's very interesting topic. And left side you'll find the loan numbers. If it is find this loan number over here from this, if it's find, then it should be replaced with order number. It should be replaced with order number like this. If it is found, you should replace like this. Okay. Only that number should replace. Okay. So I will hide this for a while. Okay. First of all, what you'll do, don't think it's a easy task. It's a very hard task. Okay, it's very hard task. Okay, everyone thinking that why don't you use search? No, search will not work. 100% will not work. Left of this comma. How many characters do you need from left side? So I said if I take one, it will pick up first character from the value that is 0. If I type 2, it will pick up two characters. Pick up two characters from the left side. So what I need, instead of doing all those things, search of comma in this text. So it will include the text. I mean, that is underscore F9. See, I'll remove. See, you can able to see underscore over here. See, so instead of underscore, you have to use -1. Now press Control Enter. Okay. See, guys, it's a text number. How can we? You can ask me. How can you guess this is a text number? Okay. See, number always starts with a number that is greater than 0. If it is not greater than 0, like suppose 0, 0, 0, 0, find left side as zeros, then it consider as a text. It's a text number. Okay. If I remove a single quote from here, so it will convert into a number for text number. So what you will do here, +0. I don't want to add anything. Just I want to, whenever you will use Control Enter, when you suppose it's a text number, just I used to say you single quote. Okay, if you do is equal to +1, you will add that number and convert into that. So that's why I use 0. You should not add anything. Just convert text numbers into a numbers. That thing I did here. Okay. So now use VLOOKUP. Not yet over, guys. VLOOKUP comma. The lookup table will be this one. F4 comma second comma 0. Yes, you got that number. As per loan number, you got order number. Now you have to replace this order number in case of loan number. In case of loan number, you have to replace with the order number. Okay. So do replace of old text starting number 1 comma number of characters search of underscore search of underscore comma within text, within this text. Okay. Enter. Okay. What will be the new text? What will be the new text? We got old text where we have to start from and how many characters do you need. Okay, so what will be the new text? New text always be blank. Enter. See here, they are not given anything. See, the underscore is there. Starting with underscore is there. So what you will do, instead of blank, you use this one. Have to remove blank, replace this. Control enter. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll copy this formula from VLOOKUP to end of this. Control C, escape. I'll replace over in this. The same color is there. Control V. It's not an array function. Control enter. And you find some errors over here. Simply use if error. If you find any error in this function, so give me the blank. Control enter. Double click. Okay, guys. If you want more queries, more doubts in this, please ask me in the comment box or in my Telegram. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.